Hello and welcome to this relaxation tapping session. In today's session, we'll be using the powerful technique of tapping to help you release tension and invite peace into your mind and body. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet space. We'll start with some deep breathing to center ourselves, followed by 2 rounds of tapping focused on relaxation. Now let's begin by taking a deep inhale through your nose. Hold for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. We'll do that one more time. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Now start tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I feel tension in my body, I choose to relax and let go. Even though my mind is busy, I deeply and completely accept myself. Eyebrow. I feel this tension in my body. Side of the eye. My mind is racing. Under the eye. I acknowledge this stress. Under the nose, I choose to release it now. Under the mouth, I am letting go of this tension. Collarbone, I feel relaxation coming over me. Under the arm, I am releasing stress. Top of the head, I am calm and at peace. Now back to the eyebrow point. I am feeling more relaxed. Side of the eye, my body is calming down. Under the eye, I choose peace. Under the nose, I am releasing any remaining tension. Under the mouth, I embrace this moment of calm. Collarbone, I am at ease. Under the arm, I am filled with tranquility. Top of the head, I am completely relaxed. Now you can stop tapping, and we'll take another deep breath in through your nose, holding for a moment, and then slowly exhaling through your mouth. Do that one more time. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Thank you for joining me on this journey to inner calm and relaxation. Remember, regular tapping can help maintain balance and serenity in your life. So feel free to revisit this practice whenever you need it. Until next time, take care of yourself and embrace the peace within.